I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today. Today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite little treats, Chick-fil-A sauce. This is a copycat recipe of Chick-fil-A sauce. It turns out so good and it tastes so much like the original sauce from one of my very favorite restaurants. I'm so glad you're here. Before we get started with the recipe, be sure to like and subscribe. I absolutely love Chick-fil-A sauce. I could eat it on just about anything. So today I'm going to put this together and show you just how easy it is to make Chick-fil-A sauce at home. I have my ingredients right here and I have 2/3 cup of mayonnaise already measured out into the bowl. I'm just going to start adding all of my ingredients and that way I can mix them all together and get them all combined. I'm going to add my lemon juice, my paprika. This is what gives the Chick-fil-A sauce the beautiful little red flecks that you see in there. My BBQ sauce. And I'll have the full recipe listed below so that you can easily put this together yourself. My Dijon mustard. My yellow mustard. And I have my honey. This is the last ingredient we need to make this Chick-fil-A sauce. To get the honey out of the little measuring bowl, all you have to do is put a little shot of cooking spray. Just spray a little bit in there, and then that way when you go to get the honey out, it pours out nicely and you don't waste a lot of it with it being stuck in the bowl. Now I'm just going to take a little whisk and whisk everything together. It just takes a minute to put this sauce together and it is so delicious. I would love to go to Chick-fil-A every day, but we know that can't happen. We can't always go to Chick-fil-A, so why not have it at home whenever we feel like it? And there it is, and in just a minute, I've mixed this whole big bowl of Chick-fil-A sauce. Now there's only one thing to do. Cover the sauce and put it in the refrigerator. I hope you give this Chick-fil-A sauce a try and realize just how easy and how delicious it is. I am so glad you're here. I had so much fun putting this Chick-fil-A sauce together and I can't wait to have it for dinner tonight. I'd be so happy if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.